Welcome back to PresCo on the BiznessPres. Today we're looking at the daily trend, or what happened last night. Woo! Juicy details. Alright, shrink me. Bring this up. Whoop, bring that up. Whoop, 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 whoop. Not that one, not that one, that one. Alright. Bringing it up from the website. Okay, this is Bitcoin. We've done a macro on Bitcoin, what everything is done to get here, and then we're doing updates from here on. And pretty much what I was calling for on the 10th, yesterday, is that we might pull back. We might pull back, we might end up in this zone here. Okay? If we go to Bitcoin now, what happened? Okay, let's get on the same chart, 4 hour. So we broke above the channel that we were consolidating in, and now we're coming back to retest it. This is market structure. All right, we break out, we retest, we form another bottom, whether it's a W or an inverse head and shoulders or something like that. We get picked up by support and we're off again. This is how it's supposed to happen. Yeah, it might have been a bit scary watching a 5, 6, 7, 8% dump. But the bigger part is what happens to everything else when Bitcoin likes to dump. Okay, this is Ethereum, still in the channel, so we're still bullish. Except now we're at the bottom of the channel in the buy zone, rather than at the top of the channel. That's it. Okay, again, on Ethereum, on my website, we're calling the macro. Got everything from where we're probably going to go now to what's happening literally yesterday. And we pulled back. Did we break this orange box and make a head and shoulders? No, we just pulled back. Okay, we didn't make any bearish patterns. We just pulled back. We had a bit of a divergence, okay, between the top. And momentum was going down and price was going up. Okay, so as a trader, you're going to sell that. That's a sign of weakness, and you sell, especially if you're in profit. Or you can short. That's why these things move so fast. But as soon as we come to the support line, big wick means there's buyers. Alright? So what do I expect to happen? Well, we haven't bottomed yet. So I would expect a bit more sideways before we start to pick up. Okay? But when we're at all-time highs and there is no resistance, if there's an opportunity to sell, people are going to sell. Okay? Especially if you can sell it and jump back in. You know, like 6% really doesn't make much difference if you're following a daily trend and if you're following the big picture. If you're trying to get a 10x because we've been in here for weeks to months, well then that's very easy. But if you're getting scared of what happens each and every day, well then it becomes very hard. So when's the last time we had a sell-off like this, you know? Back here. What happened then? Well, we actually broke out, made a higher high, and then a higher low, and then a higher high, and a higher low, and a higher high, and a higher low. So we're still bullish. Okay? This ascending channel has been over a month. Ethereum's been in this channel for over a month. So if we hold it, great. Probably going to go to our target. If not, then we're probably going to come back down to the bottom of the channel. Right there. Okay? So we could just see a quick wick up and then a big sell-off. We could see that. Okay, if we hit our target, we're going to sell off and we're going to pull back. This is what it is. Where do we pull back to? With the 618, it's previous top. Okay, the ultimate support will be here. Okay, so right now we're kind of in no man's land. Wouldn't really be buying, wouldn't really be selling on the daily trend. We'll be in position back here when we got the breakout, when the green line flipped the red line. It's up to you. That's why we've got to have a strategy. That's why we've got to know what we're playing. Are we playing the 4 hour? Are we playing the 1 hour? Are we playing the daily? Because you know, on the 1 hour, it's going to look different again. Alright? So anytime we come to a buy zone, we got one more dip, and then we come up. we come to the buy zone, we get one more dip, and then we come up. Guys, we've just had that dip. How are you going to play it? Right? So we buy here, we sell at the top, well, that's 4%. 4% is great, you know? But when you're trying to trade, and your stop loss, risk to reward factor comes in, so look, things are still bullish, and if you want more, there's heaps on the website. Okay, the newest addition is HBAR, Hedera Hashgraph. I FOMO'd into this. I could have had it back here. For whatever reason, I just wasn't interested. Plenty of other positions, but now I've actually FOMO'd into Hedera Hashgraph. They're going to do some crazy stuff. They're going to overtake a lot of Ethereum's marketing, a lot of their demographic, a lot of their niche, and NFTs. Like Hedera is going to be huge. Okay, so we've got heaps. We've got the Bitcoin pair, which we've broken out, made a higher high. We've now pulled back to the support zone, in which I think will gear up for the next move. So if that's going to do that against Bitcoin, look at it. It's juicy against the dollar. So no, that's why I'm in. Yeah, I got in a bit high, but you know, is what it is. A lot of these other positions, they're highlighted too. That V chain, when we got in here at the breakout, retest, look where we are now, you know. So it's just a matter of time. Yeah, there's 5-10% pullbacks in V chain too, but over the long term, over the day to day, that's where we're going until the end of the year for our macro targets. Guys, the bull run's not going to be here forever. It's going to end soon, and it's going to end abruptly. So if you're not in yet, I'm looking at Songbird. We just had this massive sell-off, and now it's broken out of 1, 2 resistances, and it's looking to make a bottom here. So if you haven't bought yet, buy some Songbird. Very bullish on Songbird. Here's why. You know, so it's all on the website. The website's links are in the description. Guys, wouldn't be worried about the dip. I'm actually buying it. So, thanks for watching. I've been the BiznessPres, studying the daily trends to be your friend. Thank you. Bye.